Oppa is a Korean barbecue restaurant in Tai Po, which was voted the best restaurant in Tai Po and Sandhin in 2016. The restaurant is decorated in a youthful and playful way with K-pop blasting out in the background. After being seated, the waiters brought out lots of side dishes including kimchi, seaweed and bean sprouts. They also filled up the barbecue plate with kimchi and egg, which when the grill was turned on, cooks at the same time as you're cooking meat. We ordered a cheese tteokbokki dish, which consists of soft chewy rice cakes with a spicy Korean sauce, finished under the grill. And then we ordered the staple Korean fried chicken, and it was crunchy as well as juicy with a spicy dipping sauce alongside. Another traditional Korean dish we ordered, which originates from North Korea, is mul-naengmyeon, which are buckwheat noodles served in an iced soup with slices of cucumber, pickled radish and a boiled egg. Then a huge selection of meats arrived, including beef, pork, lamb, chicken and even fish, some of which were marinated like lamb chops, but the beef short ribs were good enough on their own. Scissors and tongs are provided to flip, cook and then cut the meat to share between everyone. One thing I like to do is toss some of the kimchi, bean sprouts and vegetables they give you onto the cooking plate after cooking the meat so they absorb some of that flavour. And the marbling on this steak, it was so tasty and had so much flavour. As we left Oppa, we walked down the street to a newly opened dessert shop called Sugar Duck's Dessert. I love the clean and simple decoration on the inside, and it was cutesy. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more of my previous videos, you can do so by clicking up here, and make sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking down here so you don't miss out on any future videos.